Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Paul and let's get cooking. Welcome back, good to see you again. We're still on clean and lean, just a few more weeks. We got this great recipes we're gonna bring to you so you can try them at home. This clean and lean doesn't mean that it has to be boring. It can be full of flavor, it can be fulfilling, and yet really nutritious and good for you. We do this in conjunction with YouFit Singapore, a great fitness institution here in Singapore that provides incredible services. One of them is this clean and lean program, something you should look online, click underneath and find out what they do. Today we're making a chicken meatball vegetable soup. Absolutely fantastic. I'm using homemade chicken stock because I do that every week. I make my own stocks, put them in the freezer and use them. You don't have to. You can use the store-bought, but let me tell you something, making your own doesn't take much and it's absolutely delicious. It brings it to another level. Guys, I want you to sit back, enjoy this recipe, and let me show you how we cook it. looking forward to this. Oh guys, flavors are just absolutely fantastic. Super clean soup. The vegetables are beautiful, still crispy. The chicken meatballs have a flavor all on their own in their own dimension. It's absolutely fantastic. It's a great bowl to have a night, sort of sit you down after a long day's work or a great workout. This is absolutely fantastic. Give it a go, guys. Once again, You Fit, guys, clean and lean. If you want to find out more about that, please go ahead and click the link underneath to let you know all about it. If you guys really enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give us a like. And if you want to see more like this, just subscribe underneath and ring that bell so that way when we post, you'll be the first one to know about it. Once again, thank you for all your comments and feedback. Keep them coming. We want to keep hearing from you. And thank you for all the new subscribers. Welcome and spread the word.